One day, a farmer was walking through his field. It was evening while walking. In one corner of the crop field, he saw many flames. He approached by the firelight, went there and saw a ghost who shouts very loudly, "What kind of person are you?" The farmer was afraid. The farmer said in a frightened voice, "What do you want in my field?" The giant said that there is a pot under the ground which is full of gold. I am guarding the gold so that it is not stolen. The ghost again said to the farmer, "I want to cultivate your entire land myself." The ghost said, "I will give you the share of the crops that will grow on the land." Ghost said, "I will take the upper part of the crop, you will the lower part, which is under the ground." The wise farmer said, "Okay, then potatoes will be planted." The potato plantation is the ghost took the upper part, the farmer took the lower part. The ghost saw only the leaves in the upper part. The ghost got worried and moved to another place. The clever farmer took over everything. Even if the wise farmer wins successfully. Friends, subscribe to the channel to get new videos. Comment to get new stories.